Hello and welcome everyone. This is Project Starknet Transaction Simulator. It's an AI-enhanced transaction simulator with user-friendly insights for Starknet blockchain built using Galadriel. Let's look at the features of this transaction simulator. It has an easy-to-use AI where you only need to enter the contract address as an input, and ABIs and function names are queried and populated automatically. We also have clear and concise simulations where we generate easy to understand transaction data traces, which is displayed in the web application. Also, this transaction simulator supports AI-powered transaction summaries, where decentralized and on-chain AI inference using Galadriel L1 is being utilized to generate transaction summaries. Let's look at this transaction simulator's architecture. Once you enter the contract address, we fetch the APIs directly from the Starknet mainnet and we populate them. And once you select the function and you enter the parameter values, we validate all the parameters and we simulate that transaction on Starknet mainnet. This simulated transaction trace is decoded in front end itself, and it is being sent to Galadriel L1, where a summary of the transaction using our smart contract, which is deployed on Galadriel L1, is used, and we receive a response which is generated underneath by OpenAI's GPT-4 Turbo, and we add this transaction summary in our front end. Let's go to the live demo. So let me just connect my wallet to get started with the demo. Here we have the instructions where you can click on the new simulation button. You have provided a contract address, which is USDC contract address, so you can use it. It's an official contract, so it has the functions like balance off and transfer. So we are going to demo these two functions here, and I will just select the function balance off, and I will be querying my own wallet for USDC balance. I will simulate this transaction. So this is running all the steps which we have shown in the architecture in the background. Here we can see these were the inputs and these were the outputs. So it shows the balance is 9. We have decoded the output from the hex to the actual integer value. And here, if I click on generate AI summary, a transaction is being posted to Galadriel L1 and we are getting a response. So it gives us a response that this transaction checks the balance of a specific account on Starknet blockchain. It found that the account has balance of 9 units. So we are also going to do one more simulation, which will be a write transaction. So this is our USDC contract. Again, I'm going to select a function, which will be a transfer function. And we are going to try to have let's say transfer, we had 8, we had 9, so we will transfer just 8. We'll simulate this and we are going to check how the trace looks like. So it shows there were 2 inputs and the output is 0x1, which means this transaction goes through. So let's see what our AI summarizer tells us. If there's somebody who's a non-tech guy doesn't understand it, we are going to generate this summary. So it says this transaction is Starknet is a digital transfer transaction, transfer action where a specified contract is instructed to send an amount of 8 units to another address. The transfer was completed successfully, indicating that recipient received the assets. So this is the entire demonstration with 2 transactions. I hope you like the app demo. We have also included all the steps and all the screenshot. Here's the landing page, here's the dashboard. You can enter your contract address, select a function. You can enter the function parameters. You receive a notification for successful transaction. Here's the transaction trace, it's a transaction summary. And also I would like to talk a little bit about the future vision of this project. We want to integrate this transaction simulator with dApps after definitely improving it. We want to develop a widget and extension for this purpose. Also, we want to support chaining of multiple transactions where you can build the call data and just simulate what happens in the transaction, somewhere like what Tenderly and other these kind of platform does. Also, we want to build better and better UI and support for complex data type decoding in Starknet blockchain because it's a little bit tricky to work with the integer and decode transition output. But we have done our best to decode it for this hackathon project. Here's my team. We are Team Alpha Devs. I am Harsh Tyagi, and my team member is Yashasvi Chaudhary. We have built this project together. I hope you like our project. Thank you, everyone.